Our metallized board for folding boxes is ideal for luxury and high-end packaging applications. Our board is made of a metallized top sheet and SBS board. Our board is a 100% fibre-based monomaterial and it is recyclable. The metallized finish offers the glossy looks preferred by consumers. Our board is ideal for luxury and high-end packaging applications. Our monomaterial board is an eco-friendly alternative to metallized PET board. Brands can achieve the same premium looks as with metallized PET without compromising sustainability. Our metallized board offers excellent printing performance and advanced folding capability. Our metallized board is print-ready and is FSC certified. Our product is ideal for e-commerce stores, online retailers, and premium brands looking for recyclable packaging. Contact us to find out more.